Cottagecore is a trend inspired by a romanticized desire for a simple life in harmony with nature. With the rising popularity of van life and that picnic bitch aesthetic brought to you so humbly by YouTube celebs like Best Dressed, it's no wonder that cottagecore is catching on like wildfire. Things like the smell of fresh baked bread have always been popular, but what has this trend really made us crave? Things like freshly baked pie, magic mushrooms, normal mushrooms, fresh picked herbs, sipping on tea, listening to people spill the tea, frogs, local farmers markets that sell locally sourced honey, stationery, candles, picnics with your best friend, houseplants, Little Women quotes like, "You will be bored with him in 2 years, but we will be interesting forever." More frogs, snails,